how to hard reset your iPhone. Hey guys, welcome to a quick tutorial in which I'm going to show you how to hard reset your iPhone if it hangs and it's not working. So let's get into it. So now let's say that your iPhone is lagging and it's not working correct, it's hanged. So how you can hard reset? What is hard reset? Now, hard reset means not just shutting down your iPhone, but actually, sometimes even the screen, you cannot touch it. For example, if I want to turn off my iPhone right now, right? So I cannot slide to power off or I cannot do anything. So how will I hard reset? So for that, what you need to do is you need to press your volume up button and your power up button. The buttons you press in order to kind of like restart. So I am pressing them right now, and now you can see it says slide to power off and emergency. But now, this time when you are pressing, you will not stop. Keep on pressing these buttons until your iPhone turns off completely. You will not touch the screen, you will not touch the button on the screen, but you will just keep on pressing and it will completely shut down your iPhone, and then you can turn it on. So this is called hard resetting your iPhone. Make sure to try it out if you are having the problem. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below and subscribe to the YouTube channel.